In a small village, there lived a young boy named Saif, known for his passion for making things with his hands. He loved spending time in his grandfather's workshop, where he learned a lot about carpentry and tools. One day, Saif decided to make a wooden box to store his little treasures that he collected from the fields and forests surrounding the village. Saif started by imagining the design of the box and drawing it on paper before beginning his work. Step 1. Collecting materials. Saif went to his grandfather's workshop and gathered leftover wood pieces from previous projects. He selected pieces that matched his design and the size of the box he wanted to create. Step 2. Preparing the tools. Saif prepared the tools he needed for the job: a saw, a hammer, nails, and a sharpener to smooth the edges. He made sure everything was within reach before starting to work. Step 3. Cutting and assembling the wood. Saif began by cutting the wood into boards of various sizes that matched his design for the box. He then assembled the sides together using nails, securing them tightly with the hammer. He worked diligently to ensure that every corner was straight and every piece of wood was sturdy. Step 4. Smoothing the edges. After finishing the assembly of the box, Saif used the sharpener to smooth the edges and remove any roughness that could be annoying to touch. He wanted the box to be safe to use and not cause any scratches. Step 5. Final touches. Saif decided to add some decorations to the surface of the box to make it unique and distinctive. He used light carving tools to etch some simple and beautiful shapes. After completing the carvings, he polished the box with wood oil to highlight its natural beauty.